The country has built substantial amount of software and integration skills while developing space systems, combat aircraft, missiles, weapon systems, and communication systems by R&D institutions, the public and private sector. The experts in NASSCOM could consider adding value to the software and marketing to the national and international users after customization. Above all, NASSCOM consider creating a platform which will lead to concept to reality for mind-to-market mission and be a starter for creating a number of original equipment manufacturers, OEM, and original design manufacturers, ODM, in the country within the next 5 years. These tasks undertaken by the NASSCOM will definitely enable all the sectors of the economy to meet the challenges of globalization and societal transformation. Finally, I would like to talk about virtual collaborative grid for design and development. This is some area we have worked. With the technology background and the core competence in multiple areas achieved by our Indian institutions, I am visualizing a virtual collaborative grid for design development for enabling the design to reality product lifecycle management framework that will enable India to realize its vision for the manufacturing sector, pharma sector, agro-processing sector, and become competitive in the defense and the commercial market of consumer and consumer durable goods and services. NASSCOM should facilitate connecting the virtual collaborative grid to academia, industry, R&D, laboratories in India and abroad through high bandwidth network along with the hundreds of work centers. It will become the foundation for the virtual collaborative design platform with full-fledged concept reality product lifecycle management environment for the development of any type of system such as fighters, helicopters, automotive digital cars, locomotives such as trains, robotic cars, robotic payload for the space missions in much faster throughput with quality in cost-effective manner. My dear friends, the mission of virtual collaborative platform is the integration of everything that we do in science and technology, including the networking of the scientists and the scientific minds, which will lead to the establishment of virtual collaborative environment for conceptual design to reality, leading to realization of a marketable system and products. Now, in conclusion, I have taken some experience. Dear friends, when I see you all, I see in you great business leaders, great scientists, great technologists, great entrepreneurs. Let me share with you what are the traits needed to accomplish these goals based on my experience. I have seen dreams, 3 dreams, which have taken shape as a vision, mission, and realization. Firstly, the space program of ISRO, Agni program of DRDO, and PURA providing urban amenities rural area becoming the national mission. Of course, these 3 programs succeeded in the midst of many challenges and problems. I have worked in these areas. I want to convey to you what I have learned from these 3 programs based on my personal experience. Number 1, wherever there is a dream in life, that transforms into a vision, and vision takes the shape as many visions. This is one experience. Second one, the necessity of high-level thinking to transform the vision into mission. Third one, acquisition of knowledge from all sources. Fourth one, working without boundary conditions till the realization of the mission. Finally, the leader absorbs the failure, takes the responsibility, and gives the credit for success to his team while executing the mission. These are the characteristics I have learned. Leaders with these 6 traits are creative leaders. For success in all the missions, it is essential to have a creative leaders. Creative leadership means exercising the vision to change the traditional role from the commander to coach, manager to mentor, from director to delegator, and from one who demands respect to one who facilitates self-respect. For a non-linear growth in the IT sector, to transform their knowledge system powerhouse, the industry needs a large number of creative leaders. I greet the NASSCOM 2008 India Leadership Forum. My best wishes to all the participants' success in their mission of positioning Indian ICT industry as a world leader. May God bless you all, friends. Thank you.